Hello, in this tutorial we will write a Java program to check whether a number is positive or negative. So we start by taking input from the user. We say enter a number. User can enter any number and we store it into, let's say, a double variable this time. Number equals to reader dot next double. Okay, and now we check if number is greater than 0, then we print that uh, the number is positive. Okay, else if number is less than 0, then we print that the number is negative. And if it's not greater than 0 and it's not less than 0, which means it's equals to 0, which means the number is 0. So we print that the number is 0. There we go. Let's run it and see if this works out. So I have 6. It says 6 is positive, which is correct. And then I have -2. It says -2 is negative, which is also correct. And now I give 0 and it says 0 is 0, which is also correct. So what we have done is we have given a message to the user to enter a number. Then we have read the number using reader dot next double and into a double variable called number. And now we are checking if number is greater than 0, then we are printing that the number is positive, and if it's less than 0, then we are printing that the number is negative. And if these two conditions do not meet, then it is obvious that the number is equals to 0. So in else we print that the number is equals to 0. So that's it with this tutorial, and I will see you in next tutorial.